Hi, I'm Marta. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I am joining in with Tina at Tina's Reborns for the sweater challenge. And that is to take any doll, I believe, and put in any sweater and show them in a video. I have a few sweaters here. I am not wearing a sweater because when I wear a sweater, I carry extra static electricity in my body, and my hair literally creeps up like this and everything I touch pops. So I don't wear sweaters. But I have my girls here. I have Peaches back in her favorite sweater. Peaches is my mascot for my Whimsical Blythe website. And then we have, well, let's look at her. We have Laura here with her little pets. She just got new sunglasses she wanted you all to notice. That's why her hand is up there. I got these at Hobby Lobby and I thought they were perfect for her. And then I have my little elf here, and she has on the cutest little t-shirt. Look at that with the reindeer. Oh, I love that. Not a sweater, but wanted to be in the video. If I can place her there again. I had trouble getting hers to sit there. And I wanted to talk about Vicky's outfit. Vicky is my mannequin. I like a mannequin with a head, and that's why her hair is so razzled and dazzled. I take her with me on Mondays when I meet the ladies at the library and we crochet and knit and stitch together. Anyway, this is how I made her little outfit. So this is how Vicky's little outfit ended. I like the back of the sweater, but I think I used far too many layers of tulle because I did every color, well, almost every color I had, but it happened to match. Look, I've got even this color, and then pink and yellow. So I covered all the stripes, and I like it, except the waist is too big, and I don't know how to bring that down any further. Well, I guess I could clip that and add I can't even get hold of it, add a snap and pull it a little tighter. I guess that would look better. But anyway, this is how her little outfit landed. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Thank you, Tina, for this fun with the sweaters. This was a good idea. Please go by and see all of the people that are doing the sweater challenge today. If you're doing the sweater challenge, would you please leave me a note in my comments? I don't want to miss it. This one thing I really like about the collabs and the challenges is sitting down with my laptop and watching all of the videos one after another. It's just fun. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.